Hey, this is Dwayne Mooney. I want to show you something real quick. How what we're going to be learning when we're trading. You see that? You see this right here? That's almost a good trade. I would like to catch it farther at the top. I'm going to let this candlestick pull up. And what I'll do is put a price. I would like to catch it at 0.7181. Not at 0.7170. So I wanted to go hit that, retract some more before I get into this trade. Why is that? Because this is the area it's trading in, where I have the line. That's we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I expect it to go back up. I would have liked to have caught it at the top. It's too late for me to get in now. But we'll see what it's going to do. Because this is its trading area, as we can see, right in this area. It's channeling. It's really just going sideways. So I want to catch it at the top. That's why I like to catch it anyway. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart now. If I look at the 1-hour chart, see, it's so choppy. The 1-hour chart is choppy. You see, you have this, what do we call it? Let's see which one I pull over. I forgot which ones I pull from. I want to pull from something. Okay, you have that. You see how it's coming down? That's what we want to catch. That down syndrome. I'm looking for, I got to remember. I don't want this. I really don't want it. So what we're doing is just trying to catch a good trade. Let me see if this is it. Nope. Let's give me ABC. That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, so if I use this, I can see. Okay. This is right here is support. Bigger support is this area right here. Okay, you have this area, this area. So I would take profit right in this area. As you can see, it's going up a little bit. So I expect it to come back up to this area. And that's when I'll get into the trade. For a sell, for it to come down. Right now I'm on that's the 4-hour chart. The 1-hour chart, but if I get on the 4-hour chart, you see it better. It's retracting on the 4-hour, but I want it to retract up to here before I get in. Okay? So let's look around. So right now it's not a trade for me. And that's what I'm looking at. Let me see what the U.S. Japanese looks like. U.S. Japanese looks good for a possible sell. Make money on it coming down. I don't even look at these little bullshit indicators, even though the CC is at a high. So I'm looking for that to come down. So if I got rid of the CC, it's an indicator, CCI. But I don't really look at indicators because they're lagging, and they're lagging for a reason. I really don't have indicators. I just use trying to get rid of it because they throw me off my game when I see them. I really don't like them. Some people trade well with it. It's just me. It's just me. I like to catch it, see, so I can see it better. I said it was coming off of resistance. That's the 30-minute chart. Just look, yeah, see, that's a good trade forming. What I'm going to do, this is the day chart, but here, this is where it's topped out at. Okay, let me bring this over. Okay, resistance. Resistance, that's resistance right there. Trying to catch that coming down. You see that's the daily chart I'm on. That's the area, resistance area right here. And I'm looking at to catch it coming down to here. But I want to catch it a little at 113.35. But I may catch it at 113.2728. Because it looks like it's going to be coming down. But that's the double top right here. This one here. Okay, so I'm going to wait on that too for tonight. See where it goes. I'll see what the 4-hour chart is doing. Yes, 4-hour chart is coming up. So hopefully it comes up to here. Then I'll do a sell. Look at all this. Look at all this. That's how you can see it. All this area. Here, here, here. That's the resistance area. So I wanted to hit back up to this area. Then I'll do a sell coming down. And I train you how to do that. Like I said, I'm getting back into the trading game. And this chart, if we look at this chart, can you tell if this is a support or, excuse me, not a support, or trending up, or is it trending down? Can anybody tell me? Like I'm in class. That's funny, huh? U.S. Japanese is kind of choppy. It's downswing here. Upswing. Downswing. Upswing. See, it's been choppy for a while. What is it really doing? So let me look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is choppy too. Up here, down, up, down, up, down, up. Swing trades are best with this. So again, I want to catch this U.S. Japanese again when it gets up to here. Then I'll catch it coming down, swinging down. Okay. So those are, I guess we're in swing trade mode. Let's go British pound dollar. Okay, let's look at again. That's a 30-hour day chart. That looks like an upswing. Up, came down, but it looks like this is on an upswing. Again, I don't like indicators because they throw me off. Looks like it's definitely on an upswing. So, but look at where resistance is. Right in this area. So I may want to make money coming down. Let it retract. You get it at 1.3597. If it breaks that, maybe it'll go up. But I don't think it'll. When I say breaks that, you don't know what I'm talking about. Hey, Daryl. Yeah. Hold on. Let me end this. You don't know what I'm talking about. But look, it's at in this area. Hold on, Daryl. I'm going to just let it hit resistance. So, and then I'm going to get into a sell. But the upswing, it seems like it's on an upswing. If I look from here, definitely looks like an upswing. So my money, I may wait for it to hit in this area. Right here. And do a buy. Let's see, because it's on an upswing. But I may catch it coming down. Let's see how it's going to do. I got to see how that's going to formulate and hit this kind of money. Maybe it'll do this, come down like this did. So I can make money either way. Okay, right there. So where am I going to make the money? So we'll see. we'll see as it formulates where I'm going to make the money. I'll probably see tonight what's going to happen. Okay? That's about it for now. Hey, brother. That's about it for now. Hold on, brother. That's about it. I'm done.